Hello YouTube, this is my 9th gen Civic Si. Today we are going to install an HPS silicone intake. We are also going to install a throttle body spacer of 1 inch and a K&N air filter. We're going to start by disconnecting the battery. You're going to need a 10mm socket and wrench. Then you got to remove the two 10mm couplers from the stock intake. Don't forget to remove this one also. After you're able to remove it, you can now take the rubber intake off. Now you gotta unplug a sensor from the stock box. There's two clips on the side that you can remove by your hand, and now you can lift up the stock air box. There will be also on the side, there's a little clip. Here's the side-by-side of the stock intake and the HPS one. Also the stock air filter and the K&N one. Here's the throttle body spacer. It's 1 inch. It has two gaskets. You gotta loosen all the bolts. After you place the throttle body spacer in between the stock throttle body and the stock plastic intake, don't forget to tighten the bolts. Now you place the HPS silicone intake. Forget to tighten everything up. What the final product looks like. Not too bad. And now this is what it sounds like. Thank you. Follow for more.